Oh, hey there. So today we're going to be looking at the installation of the BW5000 bottled water pump from Flojet and the installation of the Caffewerks mini accumulator kit to work in conjunction with the bottled water pump. Bottled water pump from Flojet is probably the most popular system in the world, being utilized for food carts, food trucks, refrigerator, ice machines, van life, adventure vehicles, etc. The way we make this pump work better is by adding the Caffewerks mini accumulator tank. This is how it'll come shipped to you, complete with a check valve and all the fittings that are required to install it to the BW5000. Now, depending on the age of the BW5000 you may have two different fittings. In the instance of the kit today, we're utilizing this 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch tube fitting that will increase the size of the pump outlet to 3/8 of an inch. And it just gets installed on the outlet port of the pump. If you have an older system, you may be able to utilize the 1/4 inch port by 3/8 inch tube fitting. To install the Caffewerks mini accumulator tank to the Flojet bottled water pump system, we're going to start by installing the 3/8 by 1/4 inch tube fitting. This is going to be installed into the bottom or outlet port of the BW5000. This allows you to convert the system from 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch tube. The kit, as you receive it, will look just like this: 3/8 inch outlet port, and then 3/8 inch tubing and elbow configuration. In this instance, once the accumulator is mounted and you've installed the 3/8 fitting here, all you need to do is take the elbow fitting and press it into the connector on the BW5000. This literally completes the installation of your accumulator tank to the BW5000. Now, the reason we want to do this is so that if you have multiple devices connected to the BW5000, you now have a way to power those with increased pressure, and you'll reduce the amount of cycling that occurs with the pump. Cycling being the on and off of the pump, thus making the pump last longer as well. From the outlet port of the mini accumulator tank, there's lots of options that you can do now. We can run tubing out of this and connect to an espresso machine, a pitcher rinser, possibly even a sink. If you're using it for your van conversion or for an off-road vehicle and you want to run your water out of this to a spray bar or something along those lines, no trouble. It'll do that for you now and will keep the pump from cycling on and off. When working with press style fittings like this, it's important that you have a good clean cut on the end of your tube. We utilize tubing cutters here at the shop, and we have these available on our website. By placing them into the jaws of the tubing cutter, you just simply cut, you get a good 90-degree cut and no deform of the tubing. This will allow you to have a good seal when you insert it into the fitting. Make sure you press firmly so that the tube bottoms out on the O-ring inside the fitting, and this will keep leaks from occurring. So if you're going to run out to an espresso machine, we have two different styles of fittings. We have a 3/8 inch tube to UNEF or compression style threads. This is 3/8 inch, and this would be for connecting to the tubing on a Linea Mini, La Marzocco GS3, La Spaziale S1, and other machines utilizing 3/8 compression style inlet. You may find that you're utilizing a machine that uses British standard pipe 3/8 ball type fittings. In this instance, we also have that fitting available. It's our 3/8 inch BSP by 3/8 inch tube fitting. Here in this example, we're utilizing the UNEF thread by 3/8 inch tube connected to a 3/8 inch check valve. Check valve with the arrow pointing in the direction of the flow of water. Once it's connected to the machine, this will allow the machine water to be on one side or retained on one side of the tube and no backflow into the rest of the system. We also utilize a 3/8 inch ball valve in order to turn the water pressure on and off to the espresso machine for servicing. Additional items you may want to use in the installation of an espresso machine would include the Flojet 30 psi pressure reducer, check valve, and strainer. This is a multi-piece device, all in one, at a very good value, available on our website. You may also give consideration to the use of an inline carbon filter. In this instance, this is a carbon filter for taste and odor, and helps remove particulate down to 1/2 micron, and you get about 600 gallons out of one of these filters before you would need to change it. We highly recommend that this be at the bare minimum of what you use in front of an espresso machine. We also have available on our website kits that allow this all to be packaged together to make your install much easier. Comes with 3/8 inch tube, check valves, ball valves, and the fitting to your specific espresso machine. You just build it on our website, let us know which fitting you need, and we ship it out. So the whole system should be very quick and easy to install for you. Clearly, we have videos on YouTube that help you with these installations. We have a lot of parts available, and we're always here to be able to support whatever work you're doing. And remember, if you like what you saw in this video, smash the like button and hit the subscribe thing and send us cookies, because we like cookies.